Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Apache reverse proxy with mod_proxy on VPS, beginner guide step by step clearly. To enable Apache reverse proxy with mod_proxy on your VPS, start by connecting to your server via SSH. Use an SSH client like PuTTY or the terminal on Linux and Mac OS. Log in using your server's IP address, your username, and password. Once logged in, update your package lists to ensure you have the latest versions. For Ubuntu or Debian, run sudo apt update. For CentOS, use sudo yum update. Next, ensure Apache is installed on your VPS. For Ubuntu or Debian, run sudo apt install Apache 2. For CentOS, use sudo yum install httpd. Once Apache is installed, it's important to enable the necessary modules. For Ubuntu or Debian, run sudo a2 nmod proxy. Next, enable the proxy HTTP module with sudo a2 nmod proxy_HTTP. Now, verify that the modules are enabled by checking the configuration. For CentOS, you will need to edit the Apache configuration file directly. Open the main configuration file with sudo nano /etc/httpd/conf/httpd.conf. For Ubuntu or Debian, you will edit the virtual host configuration file. You can find this file typically located under /etc/apache2/sitesavailable/000 default.conf. Add the following lines to your configuration file to set up the reverse proxy. Specify the proxy by adding proxy path /http://target-server-ip/. Then, add proxy path reverse /http://target-server. Replace target server IP with the IP address or domain of the server you want to proxy. After making these changes, save the configuration file. For Nano, use Ctrl+O to save and Ctrl+X to exit. Next, check for syntax errors in your configuration. Run sudo apache config test. If there are no errors, restart the Apache service to apply the changes. For Ubuntu or Debian, use sudo system to restart Apache 2. For CentOS, you will run sudo system to restart httpd. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.